Good afternoon, miss. I have a ticket to travel to London this afternoon, please.
Good afternoon, sir. And welcome to Super Airline. May I see your tickets, please?
Sure. Here they are. I am a little late because I had to buy some things, but I think that's okay.
Well, that's not very okay, sir. I need to inform you that your flight have already left.
What? How is that possible? I mean, I'm 5 minutes late, but that's not very late.
Your flight was programmed at 3 o'clock and it's 3:30. Sorry.
Oh God. I did not realize it was that late. I need to take that flight now.
As I told you before, the plane had already left. Also, you need to be here hours before.
Yeah, I know. It's not the first time I travel by plane. It's just that I'm really stressed.
Don't worry, sir. I totally understand you. Let's look for a solution here, okay?
The plane cannot come back and I need to go to London for a very important work meeting.
Let me check the flights available for London. Oh, great. We have one at 5 p.m.
Is not there any other flight sooner than that? I really need to go. I can pay more.
All right, sir. Can I have your name and last name, please? Also your ID number.
6? That's too late. Give me one ticket to London at 6 p.m. then. I shall have to wait.
All right, sir. Can I have your name and last name, please? Also your ID number.
Sure. My name is Gregory Smith and my ID number is 653289564.
Okay. Thank you. Would you like a direct flight or round trip? If so, indicate the date.
I want a round trip. But, can't I use the flight ticket I had already bought?
Oh, sure. I was forgetting that. I'm sorry. When is it for?
I'm planning to return the next week. To be exactly, on Sunday 15th at 4.
Great. Thank you. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
A seat next to the window will be nice. I need to relax a little after this problem.
Okay. That's a good decision. Do you have any baggage?
Just this small one. I'm just going for a week, so I don't need many things.
Okay, sir. Then, it would be $300.99, please.
That's kind of expensive, but I suppose I don't have any other option.
Oh, if you add $50 we can give you the special monthly offer, sir.
Special monthly offer? What is that about? I have never heard about it before.
It is an upgrade. Would you like to upgrade to business or first class?
Yeah, sure. For just $50 more. I want to upgrade my flight to first class, please.
Excellent. Can I have your credit card, please? Or you'd rather pay by cash?
I will pay with my credit card. If I use it often, I could win more points to travel for free.
Oh, that's clever. Here's your boarding pass. I hope you have a nice flight.
Thank you. Is it necessary to wait here or I can go through security now?
You can go to the waiting area and after 1 hour exactly, you can go through security.
Oh, okay. I suppose I will have to wait for 1 hour. Thank you.
Is there anything else I can do for you? Do you need any help getting to the gate?
No, that's okay. It's not my first trip by plane at this airport, so I shall be fine, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you for flying with Super Airline and have an excellent trip.
Good afternoon, sir. I have a flight ticket to London at 5 o'clock this afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir. Sure. Can I have your ticket and your boarding pass, please?
Sure. Here they are. I have to show you also my passport, I suppose, right, sir?
Yes, please. And then we will check your bags. Is that the only bag you have?
Yes. Since I am not going to stay for many days in London, I just need this small bag.
I see. Your passport and your tickets are correct. Please place your bag on the scale.
Is it necessary? I don't want to lose my flight again and it is getting late.
It is totally necessary, sir. It is just going to be some minutes. Don't worry.
Okay. But please, don't take too long. Did you know I had already lost my flight?
I didn't know, sir. I'm really sorry to hear that. Don't worry. You have plenty of time.
All right. Will my luggage go to the aircraft hold or I can take it with me?
I can see you registered your bag as a carry-on bag, and this weighs more than it is allowed.
See, I have a lot of documents there. I know it looks heavier, but it is not.
I'm sorry, sir. You will have to pay an extra fee to register this luggage.
Damn. Sorry, but how much do you think will it be? I have a first-class ticket.
Oh, you have a first-class ticket. I'm really sorry, sir. Then you can pass.
What? Just because I have a first-class ticket? I don't understand.
Passengers with first-class tickets are allowed to have as many bags as they want.
Oh, I like that. If I had known it, I would have bought more things for my trip.
I'm sorry, sir, but we have a shopping service inside the plane, special for you.
That's great. Do you have internet inside the plane? I suppose so.
Yes, sir, we do. We have internet, food, drinks, a mini store, and many other services.
Excellent. Now I feel better. Well, if that's everything, can I board the plane?
Yes, sir. Everything is fine. I really hope you can enjoy your trip.
Thank you. You are very kind. Have an excellent day. Take care.